What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? I guess you guys are having a wonderful trading week, and I guess we're doing all that's important of us to stay above where we were yesterday, the previous week, the previous month, or the previous year. This is your boy Halima Repeat, and I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be a full trade breakdown. I'll be breaking down what happened on the NAS, right? So guys, this video will be mainly based on how I took the trade on the NAS, and mainly based on my weekly outlook confluence, because you know it that you have to prepare your trades before you can take any trade, right? So never mind the noise and the noises and the sounds that you guys might be hearing apart from me. But before we continue or we start, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload new videos, and to share a comment or to leave a comment just based on how this video was, what you took, what you learned, and what you left home with, and to sign up with the broker that I use with the link on my bio. Quick trade. So guys, on our weekly outlook, when you go to our weekly outlook from the 4-hour, well, this trade was took on the NAS, right? Never mind also that my laptop is kind of slow, or rather would I say my network. So on our weekly outlook, we did indicate that we had some type of support. I think it started right there, moving all the way, right? We had some type of support, and we did say that on our outlook we're looking for two things: for price to either fail to break or to break below, right? We had those two anticipations and nothing else. So when we now remove the charts and do this again, so now this trade was based on the hourly, but on the 4-hour we were looking for price to either break below or to fail to break, and that's it, right? So hopping to the hourly, because that's where everything happened. So now you can clearly see that okay, we had the support again, right? And now when we look at Monday, this is Monday, this whole move is Monday, and Monday was Labor Day. Monday was Labor Day. I think in America it was a holiday, right? So on obviously Monday we didn't take trades because there was no volume in the markets. Heading down to Tuesday, so looking at Tuesday, you can clearly see that okay, from Monday, right? Monday on our New York session, price kind of like pulled back and continued to the downside, right? So this is Tuesday. Coming to Tuesday on our London session. So from Tuesday on our London session, this whole block, this whole zone right there, that's where we'll be focusing on, right? Because I now know that okay, price once hit this zone at some resistance and had support, and now before this happened, what are we looking at? You can clearly see that okay, on our London session, price kind of like that what tried coming to our very same zone, breaking below our very same zone, but unfortunately price couldn't. Looking at the 10 p.m, the 10 a.m candlestick, the candle after our London open candlestick, which is 9 a.m in South Africa, and I think it's 7 or 8 a.m in London, right? So Tuesday price, okay, so on the second candle for our New York session, for our London session, I repeat, price tried breaking below, or rather would I say price tried breaking out, right? So when price broke out with a bear engulfing candlestick opening, moving to the downside, breaking below our very same zone, and all you need to look for when price breaks a certain zone, it's a candle close. Are we gonna close below, or that's just a rejection or a fake out or a fake breakout, right? So when I waited, I saw that okay, 10 a.m price did what? Price rejected, or rather would I say price closed above our very same zone. So once price closed above our very same zone, and the coming candlestick, the third candlestick, because this is our London open and this is the candle after the London open, and this is the second candlestick, which is 11 a.m when you're taking notes of what I'm talking about. So 11 a.m you can see that okay, price is kind of like doing what? Tempting to push to the upside. But what reasons do we have that price is tempting to push to the upside? One, price tried breaking below, or rather would I say price broke below with a bear candle open and a candlestick that rejected to the downside, closing above our very same zone but still bearish, right? That's what I saw. That the second reason its price is trading bullish, or the current candle is moving bullish. With that being said, all I told myself is that if price trades above the candlestick, this rejection candlestick, then I'm simply looking for price to continue moving to the upside, because price had a breakout and a break back in, and it closed above our zone, and the coming candle traded bullish above the previous rejection candlestick. Do you guys get that? So once price did that, the only thing that I looked for is that price will continue moving to the upside with a 40 pip stop, which was still below the very same zone, right guys? Looking for targets of where the very same previous highs, that's where we're looking to take profit. So guys, when you see how this trade was took, or when you look at how I took this trade, or how I'm basing this trade, it's simple. Price created support and price came back to support. Price tried breaking below support, but unfortunately price couldn't break below support or break past our support. And when something like that happens, you need to wait for a momentum candlestick, which is a bullish candlestick, and look to continue moving to the upside. So this is how I took this trade. This trade was simple if you know how to trade, or this trade was pure price action, was just technical analysis and pure price action. So a lot of times people they tend to do some BS, because they can see that price is bearish, current price is bearish, we have a level of support, we're failing to break past that zone, and we have some type of bear candlestick which opens and trades below that very same zone. Impatient traders just take trades based on that. They just sell anticipating a continuation, being impatient enough to wait for a candle close which confirms that we broke below, meaning we broke out. In this instance, price failed breaking below, right, with a breakout and a break back in, which is more like a rejection candlestick, taking the sellers out, or rather would I say taking the early buyers out of the markets before they got confirmation into what might happen. So guys, this is how I took this trade. This trade wasn't easy, this trade wasn't hard, but all I can say is through time, through patience, through consistency and discipline, that's how you can get such trades. If price doesn't reach a certain zone, don't take a trade. If price reaches a certain zone, wait for signs into price. Is it gonna break out, or is it gonna fall to break, and take a trade? Do you guys get that? So this is how I took this trade. I repeat, this is how I took this trade. A great trade on a Tuesday, and a great trade to start our month of September. Praying and hoping and believing to keep the momentum and to keep the consistency and the mojo and the energy like this, and still praying to hit more TPs, less and less SLs. Right, so before I end the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I repeat, and don't forget to share and to turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload new videos concerning forex and entrepreneurship. And don't forget to leave a comment and share so someone can take this video and learn something from it. And don't forget to hit my line concerning forex, my forex course, or just to anything forex related. Don't forget to hit my line. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. That's all I got on this video.